In this lesson, you're going to learn how to make a collage using Pixlr Express. Students will be able to create a photo collage using Pixlr Express. So here you have an example of what a collage looks like. It's basically one photo made up of many photos in a nice order with some cool effects or even colors in between the images. So let's get started. For this lesson, we're going to use Pixlr Express. So go to pixlr.com/express and then click on Collage. Now you're going to need to save the photos beforehand in order to use them in your layout here. On the bottom of your screen you see Collage and Layout. Click on Layout and scroll through here and pick the layout that you want to use. So I've already saved pictures and I'm going to use those pictures I have saved. I'm going to choose, I think I have this many pictures. Yes. And notice you have some options at the bottom that let you choose the spacing between your images. If you want rounded edges, you can change the proportions, you can change the color. Okay, so to add your image, hover over one of the rectangles or squares and the plus sign will pop up. Click on the plus sign. Go to your picture folder where you saved any images beforehand. I have a Star Wars folder, and I'm just going to start opening up images in each of these squares. Oops, I already have that one in there. Close this. See which ones don't I have. I think I have this one here. And how about that one? Alright, so once you have your images in place, you can actually click and drag your images around. You can drag them between boxes to switch them up. So if you don't like the way one looks in a particular shape, if it's a square or a rectangle, you can move it. You can also edit each picture. So for example, let's say I want to edit this one. I hover over it and there's this button in the middle, looks like a little brush. I can click on that and I can actually edit it using the options below. So if I wanted to put stickers on it, a special border, or an effect like a filter, I can do that. Apply and then save. And now I can see that it's attached or made that look like that. I can play with the proportions, play with roundness, and so on. So, what I want you to do is create your own collage using any images that you want. Use as many images as you want. Try to do as many as I did here. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a nice collage, so 8 pictures would be good. I would say 5 to 8 pictures would be a good collage. And you can use any photos that you want. Play around with all the options that you see and explore the Pixlr Express interface and have fun with that. Get creative and send me your work when you're finished. Oh, to save it, click on Finished and then click Save. You can name it Collage and your initials. Make sure to rename it so you don't overwrite somebody else's if it's on the computer. Click Save, Save, and you'll be done.